Hello, I'm Dr. Sagar Lad. I'm a pediatric intensive care specialist at Sahyadri Super Speciality Hospital, and I'm going to discuss with you about a very important topic is the post-COVID care of the children. Since last 6 to 7 months, we are facing a problem of a COVID epidemic all over the world. But since last 1 month, we are seeing that the cases of COVID has come down. During this period, what care we need to take out the children? All the schools are closed now, daycare center are closed now. Slowly they will start opening it up. So what care you need to take the children when you are exposing your children to the environment? Now first important thing is about the nutrition. What I will suggest, the child should get a good healthy nutritious diet. The healthy means it should contain all green leafy vegetable. It contain a good protein which mainly in the pulses, or also a citrus fruit which is a rich source of vitamin C. Citrus fruit generally includes your lemon, apple, orange, pineapple. These are rich source of vitamin C, and vitamin C basically act as an antioxidant that gives your immunity to you to fight against the COVID if the child get a COVID infection. Second, after nutrition, what you need to concentrate about the hygiene or the health or the sanitation care. Now, when you are going outside, the kid should wear a face mask. A single face mask, surgical face mask, even a cloth face mask is also sufficient so that he will not catch up the infection. Social distancing is very important, not to go into the crowded places, not to go any busy places, and repeated use of a sanitizer, repeated using of a hand washing, not to touch the face, not to touch the nose. That already all are the universal standard precautions should be followed by child also. Third thing about the vaccination, everybody is at home since last 5 6 months, so all vaccination of children are get delayed. Vaccination are to prevent the life threatening disease. Why we are everybody is behind the COVID vaccine? Because we want to prevent the COVID. Similar application is there for the disease in the children like MMR, like a measles vaccine. If you don't vaccinate your child against the measles, the child can get measles, and which can be life threatening. So whatever is the primary vaccination schedule which is advised by the government of India, Indian Academy of Pediatric, should be taken into the consideration. Consult your pediatrician, that they will be advise you. Second thing is, don't hesitate to visit to the hospital, because majority belief is that if you go to the hospital you will catch up the infection. But nowadays, because of this all universal precaution, there is a separate COVID section in the every hospital, so that whenever you are visiting to the hospital, it should be on the contrary will be a better and a safe place than in the general population. So if your child is sick, if your child is a fever, basically you need to urgently rush to the hospital and don't behind the teleconsultation, which is very difficult in the children, not unlike the adult. And last thing is that I want to stress about a reaction in the children. Like, it is a belief that the children doesn't get a COVID. So acute COVID infection is not there in children, but since last 1 or 2 months, we have started seeing a cases in the children called as a post-infectious multi-system syndrome, inflammatory syndrome, or is called as a PIMS, which is associated with the COVID. So even if the child is asymptomatic before, after 2 to 3 weeks, he develop an antibody against the COVID, and that can cause a problem. So if a child is getting a very high fever of 103, 104, which is not settling down, if he started getting rash, he has got a swelling of a joint and a feet, he getting a red eyes, if he start getting fatigue, severe abdominal pain, severe diarrhea, these are all excessive sleepiness, excessive irritability, these are all symptom and the presentation of this disease. The problem is that if you diagnose this disease early, the treatment, the child recovery is very fast. Since last 1 to 2 months, we have seen a patient who are presented in the bad situation, and sometime it will be difficult to survive. So very important, if your child has got a fever which is a high grade, presenting more than 1 to 3 grade, consult your pediatrician. He will is the best person to guide you, and mind well, if you treat these PIMS in a timely fashion and urgently, it is a life saving. So if you have got any question, any problem about this disease, you can contact to our hospital, our website, our number. At Sahyadri, as a team, we are available 24 hours to your service. Qualified pediatricians are available. We have got a best intensive care services available. So don't hesitate to call us. Don't become panic. Just give us a call. Thank you.